pala mapili
Andito
kung
kami
gusto mo.
sa Tongyang. Okay. So, this is pancit guisado. Alright, that's the first. Then, salmon head with laksa sauce. Salmon head ba yan? Ayan, no? And then, this is stir-fried seafood with pork. There. And chicken curry. Charan. And these are plain rice, shao fan, press, there. Okay. The sauce for the vegetable, walang ebi. And this is the wasabi, the radish, yung mga kung ano-anong maki mo, and condiments. Alright. And we go here. So it's your dessert station. So, itong mama ang mga lulutuin, oh. Fresh tamarind, yung mushroom. So, yan. Kung may food allergy. Kung may soup na gusto ko itapagibo. There. And then, ito yung mga squid ball, ink, ball, bichu-bichu. Ang soup-soup din yata ito, eh. Taro, diba? Nga. This one. Vegetable, sweet potato. Yan, kangkong mo mamang favorite. And your noodles. Ito mama yung ito yung lulutuin. Oh, mama. Shell, halaan. Yan. Ano pa niyan? Okay. Then move forward. Mama, your friend. Oh, ang galing yung slicer niya. Dito ako sa ice cream. And the juices. Salmon head, sinigang tayo with tamarind. And then ito mama, i-grill yan. And here pa, plenty. Saan nalagayan kuya?
Sa side ko, bawat kanto may lagayan. Dito naman.
Thank you. Ni mama yung mga grilled meats for grilling. Katoy, pork liver, chicken liver. Magsawa ko ngayon. And then, halo-halo. There. What can you say, ma? Hilo ka? Now, this is satay. This is mushroom.